Hi, my name is John, and um, one of the team members for Chester for GEB class. And in our CAPSIM, our group was Chester, and this is the results that we had. And as you can see, this is a chart line graph, and it's other one too. So um, in terms of our contribution margin, um, as you can see for Chester was 1.398 for the measure of the company. You can see Andrews actually had the highest, um, and the lowest was us, Chester. Um, if we're looking at the cumulative profit, um, we were able to. These are the results for round 1, 2, and 3. As you can see, um, Chester was also negative, but Digby had the lowest complete in terms of the profit, negative 180 million. Um, as you can see for ferries, it's 269. Um, and also, if it's leverage, you can be able to see on the measure by company wise. Digby was here at 24.90 and so on. So in terms of measure now for each round, um, this was results. If I go ahead and look at probably the let's see the sales. This was the sales for round 1, 2, and 3. If you're looking at Digby, um, the sales went down, and looking at Chester, we were constant for 2 rounds, and the third round went up. Um, Here, looking at Baldwin, came down, then went up to actually the highest. I guess they were at the top together with ferries, and here is Erie too. So if we're looking at the measure comparison here, let's see the profits in here. As you can see how they're positioned, obviously Digby have been the lowest, um, and if we're looking at, okay, let's see that profit, but let's see for round 4, round 3, round 2, round 1, but how for the last 3 rounds. And as you can see, Chester, which is us, my team, were actually on negative 14 million, and these are the results for the other guys on the other team. Digby was at 8 million, Erie was at 41 million, Ferris was at 43 million, Andrews was 65, and Baldwin was 67. And so this was our project and our results. Thank you.